Today I'm going to show you how to make 7 styles of earrings with old denim jeans. And to make these you're going to need some scraps of denim, a paintbrush, and some Elmer's white glue. Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. If you find the videos too fast, click on the gear icon below the video to slow it down. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell to receive an email when I post a new video. So I spread some white glue on one of the layers and I sandwiched 2 layers together, and then I let them dry. And then I traced around some round objects. These are just bottle caps. So I did large ones and small ones. Then with my ruler I just drew on the outside of the ruler and placed it the other way. Now I have perfect squares and I cut them out. And you can cut them out on the outside of the black mark or on the inside. And you can touch up around the edges. And then I used my black marker just to draw some designs around the edge. Or you could leave them plain. Using a pink marker, I made a design on the square ones. You can draw any design you like, but this is very easy. I just put a dot in the center and then spiraled out, and then did another spirally line in between each of the corner lines. Then I added dots with my black marker and a little crisscross design in the center. On the large round ones, I just made some little squiggly lines all around the outside edge. And a dot in the center, and then a circle around the dot. With a large needle, I poked a hole in the top. I inserted a jump ring, and I have a link below on how to make your own. I closed the jump ring. I cut a short length of wire and made a loop at one end, passed on a bead, and then made a loop at the other end. I added an ear wire and closed up the loop. And I added a link below on how to make your own ear wires. I decided to add a black line around the large round ones. And there you have the 3 finished styles. And on this one I added 3 beads on the link. To make this easy style, I started out with some white glue and I cut a toothpick in half, and I used that to add dots of glue onto my diamond shape. And then I dropped some little gold beads in it. When I made my ear wire, I added 3 little gold beads, and then I made a loop. I poked a hole with the needle, inserted my jump ring, and then inserted my ear wire. With a gold marker, I just painted some of these little star features in gold, like that, and then cut it out and glued it in the center. I wanted some of these little stick-on studs to be gold, so again I colored these in gold with my gold metallic marker. And then I glued them all around, like that. To make these easy heart shape, I simply took a piece of cardboard from a cereal box and I cut out a heart shape. Then I traced it on my denim and cut it out. Then I used my glue and my toothpick and I glued on some rhinestones. Then I made a link with 1 pink and 2 gold beads. To make these large round ones, I cut some pieces out of this plastic trim and I glued them on. For this round one with dangles, I punched 1 hole for the ear wire and 3 holes at the bottom. And I added 3 dangle links. To add a bit more detail, I added a pearl in the center and wrote these studs all around the pearl, like that. And there you have 7 easy denim earrings that you can make from old jeans. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.